In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators and objects in MT5. Whether your chart is cluttered with too many indicators, or you just want a clean view of price action, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy things up in a few simple steps. First, make sure you have your MetaTrader 5 chart open and visible on your screen. Look for the specific chart window where you want to remove indicators or objects. This is important because the changes you make will apply to the chart you're working on, not all charts at once. Now move your mouse over the chart area and right-click anywhere on the chart background. Try not to click directly on a candlestick or on an object like a line or arrow. Instead, choose an empty space on the chart. When you right-click, a context menu will appear, showing different options related to that chart. From this menu, look for the option labeled Properties and left-click on it. Properties is the section where you can control many aspects of how your chart looks and behaves, including colors, grid lines, and sometimes how objects and indicators are displayed. Clicking Properties will open a new window or dialog box on your screen. Once the Properties window is open, take a moment to look through the available tabs and sections. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your MT5 setup, but you'll usually see tabs related to colors, common settings, and sometimes object or chart behavior. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts and labels that appear in this window. The platform will guide you through what each option does, often with clear descriptions right next to the settings. As you explore the properties, look for any options that refer to showing or hiding objects or indicators on the chart. Some settings might allow you to control whether objects are visible, how they are drawn, or how indicators appear. Make adjustments according to what you want to remove or hide, and confirm your choices by clicking the appropriate button, usually something like OK or Apply. After you follow the on-screen prompts and close the Properties window, look back at your chart to make sure it now appears the way you expect. If something still doesn't look right, you can always right-click the chart again, return to Properties, and refine your settings until the chart is as clean and simple as you need it to be.